The coffee hasn't hit yet, and you're not quite ready to work. But your agent is. The brief builds in real time, surfacing repeat patterns, stalled cases, and the signals worth acting on. That's what an agent does. Ask it a follow-up. Which sites need the most attention today? Agents do the monitoring so you can focus on the deciding and doing. Looks like there's a lot of work to do, so let's get started with agents. In this video, we'll cover starting with a pre-built agent, creating your own from scratch, and running your agent to see its output. Ready? Let's go. Head to Agents. Then create one. You'll see two options. Describe what you need at the top, or start from the pre-built agent library below. Let's start with a pre-built agent. This one reads your latest inspection flags and turns them into a concise brief. It analyzes, never acts. The configuration opens. On the left, a chat to help you refine the agent as you go. On the right, 4 sections to set up. Start with details. Give the agent a name and a description. The description is for your reference only. It won't change how the agent behaves. Next, the trigger. This is when the agent runs. Click Add Schedule. Set the frequency, the time, and the time zone. For a daily morning brief, every day at 9 a.m. works well. Save the schedule. Now the instructions, the most important part of any agent. Notice the structure. First, the job, who the agent is and its goal. Second, the how, step-by-step rules for pulling data and reasoning over it. Third, the output, exactly how the agent should format and deliver its findings. And finally, the guardrails, non-negotiable rules for what it cannot do. Job, how, output, guardrails. That's what every reliable agent needs. Then your AI model. Quick handles lighter jobs, pulling overdue actions or summarizing a single report. Balanced is best for things like a daily site briefing or tracking certification renewals. Advanced goes deeper, cross-site trend analysis, investigation reviews. For most agents, balanced is the right pick. Next, connectors. These are required. They give the agent access to the right data. The pre-built agent has connected the right ones. Click Add Connectors to see everything available. Inspections, actions, OSHA, and more. One final touch before your agent is ready. Notifications. Turn on Run as completed to get notified each time your agent finishes. Useful if it's scheduled to run while you're away. Turn on Run as failed, so a missed run doesn't mean a missed problem. Time to click Save. Now let's create your own agent. Back in Agents, click Create Agent. This time use the prompt. The prompt does 3 jobs. Tell the agent when to run, what to check, and how to report back. This one runs weekly checks for credentials expiring in the next 30 days, and ask for a summary of who needs renewal. Add guardrails too. Tell the agent what it cannot do or assume. I don't ever want the agent to take action on my behalf. Click Generate Agent. The AI configures the agent based on your description. The same 4 sections, built for you. Review each section. Adjust anything that needs fine-tuning. Check that the instructions cover everything you asked for. Job, how, output, guardrails. Good to go. Select your AI model, review the connectors, and configure notifications. Then click Save. Now it's time to run your agent. Open any agent from your list and hit Run Now. The agent may ask you questions to ensure you get exactly what you need. When it's done, you'll see what was flagged, where it happened, and what needs follow-up today. Ask a follow-up question, drill into a specific site, or ask the agent to generate a report. I want a report of all the expiring credentials. Every run is saved in your history, so you can revisit any brief anytime. Agent built, brief delivered. Time for another coffee. Search agents in the Help Center to explore everything they can do for your team. Head to help.safetyculture.com.